Hello everyone, my name is Charvin Tiachinda, but you can call me Prince. I am 38 years old. I was born in Bangkok, it's a capital of Thailand. I am graduated high school in Thailand and also in America as an exchange student for 1 year. After that, I went to England to study for Bachelor of Journalism and Master's degree of Social Science. I am already married. My family is in Thailand, and I there are 3 kids in my family. 2 of them are boys, and another one is girl. I really miss them so much, and they are planning to come visit me in next 2 months. I'm very excited to see them and spend time together. Now I'm living in Singapore and working here as a foreign correspondent in Thai TV news. I really love my job because I can face a lot of situations and get many experiences about Singapore which are challenge for me. For this website, I hope you will be able to use my website, and if you have some questions to ask me, you can post a comment on my website and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.